Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to fix the video TDR failure error in Windows 11, specifically when it involves the nvlddmkm sys file. And now, let's get started. The first solution to address the video TDR failure error is to ensure your Windows is up to date. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, navigate to the Windows Update tab on the left-hand side. In the right pane, you will find a button labeled Check for Updates. Click this button to download and install any available updates, as these can often contain crucial fixes for system errors. The next step involves running a system file checker scan. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. You should see an option to run Command Prompt as administrator. Click on this to open the elevated Command Prompt window. In the Command Prompt, type the command sfc /scannow and then press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files and attempt to repair any corrupted or missing files that might be causing the TDR failure. If the previous solutions do not resolve the issue, and considering this is a serious error, resetting Windows is the final option. Again, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Within the Settings window, go to the System tab located on the list on the left-hand side. On the right pane, find and select the Recovery option. From the Recovery options, choose Reset. You will be presented with choices. Select Remove Everything to perform a clean reset. After this choice loads, select Cloud Download, and then click on Next to begin the reset process. This will reinstall Windows and should resolve deeply rooted system issues. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.